Major Manoj Talwar, born on August 29, 1969, was a heroic figure in the Kargil War. After joining the NDA and being commissioned in 1992 as lieutenant in the Mahar Regiment, his first posting was in Jammu and Kashmir. On June 12, 1999, Talwar led a daring mission to liberate the Turtuk Center in the Kargil sector, a peak at 19,000 feet with temperatures plummeting to 60 degrees below zero. On June 13, he successfully captured the peak and hoisted the tricolor. However, he was killed shortly after due to enemy shelling. His body was brought to Meerut on June 16, where a massive crowd gathered for his farewell. Major Talwar was posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra for his bravery. His legacy continues to inspire the youth to serve the nation. On August 29, 1965, a historic event occurred when an astronaut and an aquanaut communicated via phone for the first time. Astronaut Gordon Cooper, aboard the Gemini 5 mission in the space, and aquanaut Scott Carpenter, participating in the SEALAB 2 project underwater, spoke to each other. SEALAB 2 aimed to test human endurance in deep sea conditions, while Gemini 5 was a key NASA mission to evaluate a new battery's ability to power a spacecraft for an 8-day mission. Carpenter, at a depth of 205 feet below the sea surface, contacted Cooper through a radio telephone, marking the first successful long-distance communication between the space and the ocean depths. On August 29, 1612, a significant sea battle occurred near Surat, where the British East India Company defeated the Portuguese Navy. This battle marked the beginning of British colonialism in India. During the 16th and the 17th century, the Portuguese had a dominant presence in India's trade, controlling key ports and sea routes, including Surat. Established in 1600, the British East India Company aimed to trade with India and East Asia but faced Portuguese attempts to block British ships. The 1612 naval victory allowed the East India Company to secure permission to conduct business in Surat and establish trading posts across India, leading to its growing influence in the region. On August 29, 1947, the Indian Constituent Assembly took a significant step in creating the constitution by reforming a constitution drafting committee. This 7-member committee, chaired by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, was tasked with drafting the Indian Constitution. The committee studied various existing constitutions, political principles, and India's needs to create a document that was inclusive, democratic, and secular. After about 3 years of deliberation, the draft was approved by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, and the Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950. National Sports Day is celebrated in India on August 29 each year to honor the birthday of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, born on August 29, 1905 in Prayagraj, UP. Known as the magician of hockey, Dhyan Chand is one of the most revered figures in Indian hockey. He began his career with the Indian hockey team in 1926 and led the team to gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 Olympic Games. With over 400 career goals, Dhyan Chand was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1956. National Sports Day aims to promote sports awareness and encourage excellence in the field.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 29, 1831, the renowned scientist Michael Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction. His key finding was that a changing magnetic field can induce an electric current in a conductor. Faraday demonstrated this by placing two wire coils around an iron ring. When he passed an electric current through one coil, he found that an electric current was generated in the second coil even though it was not directly connected to the first. This led Faraday to conclude that varying magnetic fields can produce electric current. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized electricity generation and laid the foundation for the development of essential devices like generators and transformers, which are crucial to modern electricity generation and distribution. Michael Jackson, born on August 29, 1958 in Indiana, USA, was an influential American songwriter, singer and dancer. As a child, he was a part of band Jackson 5, where he gained recognition as the lead singer. He began his solo career in 1971, but his major breakthrough came in 1982 with the release of his album Thriller, which became the best-selling album of all time. Jackson set new standards in both music and dance, with iconic moves like the moonwalk. He passed away on June 25, 2009.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.